Because atoms and molecules are so small, we often use symbols to help us visualize what we're talking about. And one of the most common symbols that we use in chemistry are Lewis symbols. So Lewis symbols are pretty straightforward. Lewis symbols consist of the element symbol surrounded by a dot for each valence electron. So an example could be calcium. Calcium is in the second column of the periodic table. It has 2 valence electrons, so we would draw its Lewis symbol with 2 electrons surrounding calcium. We can also use a Lewis symbol to show how calcium often ionizes to form a noble gas configuration, so it loses those 2 electrons to form a cation, which is calcium 2+. Now calcium has lost its 2 valence electrons to form a noble gas configuration. Now that calcium is isoelectronic with argon, it has a completely filled sublevel. It's gone to this noble gas configuration, so we don't put any dots around our calcium once it's ionized to form calcium 2+. Similarly, we can show the Lewis dot structure for fluorine. Fluorine has 7 valence electrons. It's in group 7 of the periodic table, group 7A. It's a halogen. And so we draw our Lewis symbol like this. Fluorine typically gains an electron to go to fluoride anion. Showing now that we have this noble gas configuration again, fluoride anion, and this is now isoelectronic with neon. So when it's an anion, we typically show the addition of electrons. If it's a cation, we don't draw electrons around the symbol.